Good morning. You have probably watched some videos with stretched image on YouTube. Some people, like me, can't stand such distortions. Imagine watching this on a narrow screen. If you'd like to fix the aspect ratio of your video, you can add this tag. 4:3 as an example. This tag should support every ratio you typed. However, some YouTubers don't give a fuck about the ratios. Someone's going the opposite direction. The author of this video probably didn't know this is a 16:9 image.
Also, this is one of the very few PlayStation 2 games I've played that doesn't have a widescreen option.
And someone stretched the image on purpose. Fortunately, you don't need to download a video to fix the aspect ratio by yourself. Just go to this site. Copy the video link. And choose a preset. For less common cases like a video with 16:10 aspect ratio, use a slider on the left to adjust stretching. The second slider adjusts silt. Unfortunately, the site doesn't affect the full screen mode. To get the best result possible, press F11 key to activate full screen mode in the browser. Adjust the zoom with the second slider. You may need to change the browser zoom with Control key and mouse scroll wheel. This is the best setup I could achieve. Goodbye.